Mahoney represents District 67A. We have Representative Jamie Becker-Finn, which represents 42B. We have Representative Tu Jong, represents 53A. We have the Minnesota State Auditor, Julie Blanchard. We have the Minneapolis Council Member, Alondra Cano, which represents Ward 9. Thank you for crossing the river over to St. Paul. And then we have the Chairman of the Minnesota DFL Party, Ken Martin. We also have a representative from Congresswoman Betty McCollum's office, Chow Lee. We also have a field organizer representative from Senator Amy Klobuchar's presidential campaign, William Gumber. William, if you can stand too, that would be perfect. That's all that we have for now. We'll be announcing them as they come in. 64A, Erin Murphy. She's right in the back there. Thank you.
And we give you a special thanks for being here. I have not been at Capitol Hill or to the White House, but I can see that there are a lot of well-respected people in the room. So can we give them a round of applause for being here today? The one that's going to come up here to give you our
discrimination, of persecution, and adversity, fleeing China to the high mountain of Laos, crossing the dark and fierce river, Mekong River, to Thai refugee camp, flying the metal bird to the cold weather of Minnesota. We're here tonight. We know part of the government system. We are not part of the economic system, the court system. We are part of the...
We need to make America great again. Yet, each step of the way during his presidency, he's turned his backs, and the Republican Party have turned their backs on what has always made this country great. You see, we are a nation.
Yeah, we're gonna window here so that we see everybody. Oh, perfect. Beautiful. Jazz hands on her. I'm gonna have you turn a little bit your window. Oh, I can totally get
I just keep on taking.
Okay, you can do it here.
we're going to take a quick photo here. Thanks everybody for being very patient.
All right, can we get one right here first, please? Everybody look here. One.
Since I got here, so thanks for having envelopes on the table. So my name is Jamie Becker-Finn. I am here, I'm an assistant majority leader, and I am here on behalf of our House DFL majority in the Minnesota legislature. Speaker Hortman was not able to be here. She asked me to speak to you guys in her stead. So I am really excited to be here. I represent the communities of Little Canada, Vadnais Heights, and parts of Roseville and Shoreview. So our Hmong community is strong in those cities, and it's really great to be part of this today. I'm also a good friend of the Lieutenant Governor's. She's sorry she can't be here. Lieutenant Governor Peggy Flanagan has really been a partner with Senator Herr and Uncle Charles. We did some get out the vote together last year, so she's sorry that she can't be here with us all tonight.
Thank you for joining today's historic kickoff of the Minnesota Bay Hmong American Caucus of the Minnesota DFL. And congratulations to everyone who made this happen. Your hard work organizing on behalf of the Hmong community and for our progressive values inspires me. You are the first officially approved Hmong caucus in the country. Through your organizing, you lift up the voices of the Hmong community and all Minnesotans. I also know that this is not the first time the Hmong community has come together for the good of all of us. You, your parents, and your grandparents have worked and sacrificed for many decades to make our country and our communities safer, better, more inclusive, and richer. I am proud to stand with you and work with you. I have always believed that the more voices we join together, the more powerful we are.
I want to say thank you to the Hmong Caucus for inviting me out, but also to the Hmong community. Actually, I live in Brooklyn Park, so I want to say thank you for the contributions you have made in Brooklyn Park, especially in 2018, in terms of getting folks out to vote, getting folks to contribute. Senator Her, Uncle Charles, Chris Young, Vang, so many people were so involved in just getting folks out. So I want to say thank you. I've had the privilege of being the chair of the African American DFL Caucus. And what Susan said is extremely important. So we've had a number of young folks come through. They've learned how to door knock, they've learned how to contribute in their community, and some of them have had the privilege of actually working for.
Move it closer. Okay. Closer, closer, closer. It's flu season, but nobody's coughing, so everybody love each other. Be closer to each other.
I only see up to the gentleman in the white shirt.
We only see up to the gentleman in the